Should I actually pick the map or should I leave everything set to random?
Fuck it, random.
Bet.
That's up to
First
you.
time for everything.
Yeah.
I don't remember anything on this game.
You just gotta pick up shit and not die.
Yeah, well, no shit.
Pretty good at dying.
I'm phenomenal at dying.
Well, get ready to be pretty good at not dying.
Howdy doody, what's in your booty?
Okay. Okay, so right trigger is sprint. Yeah.
Look this way.
Yeah, Carter's leading the way. We'll let Carter lead the way. I found some incense. Now all the white bitches love me.
Over here!
There's a tape. Carter, you passed.
I'm in the showers. Oh.
That doesn't sound very nice.
Carter,
Oh no, where are you guys?
Why do I have to run? What am I running from?
pick a direction.
This way!
Oh, the black guy always dies first. Well, let's walk down the
Compass and
very...
here's clue. Wait. There was a clue. There was a clue.
Oh, I hear it. Yeah. Brendan, it's by me and
Where?
Carter.
Over here!
I can't see you guys. I'm scared.
Oh,
Yo, what is
Oh,
that?
something is in the locker.
get out of here, prick! Be gone, motherfucker!
How do I turn the light off?
Carter, I scared him away from you. Guys, calm the fuck down! There's a tape on the other side
Now,
of this
the smart
wall.
thing is if you know how to play this game, you split up and then you just avoid all dying at once. But
Yeah, but I don't think
what
we
is
should
that
split
right
up.
now. No, we definitely should not.
Why is there things oozing out of the floor?
There's shit everywhere! Alright,
Wait.
tape number 2.
Fuck. Okay.
Alright.
There's what? There's 6 left?
Yes.
Or we? Yeah. No.
Actually, we came this way. We should probably...
There's
let's
a
go...
compass.
Let's keep going into the unknown, guys.
this
Carter,
way?
turn around.
RP
Carter.
is Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh
run!
fuck!
Run!
What? Oh fuck! I don't.
Ah!
I'm running away. I'm
Mushroom.
running. I'm running.
Mushroom on the ground.
There's alien thing.
Alien testicles!
Hello there.
Be gone, bitch!
Those are bad.
Get stunned,
Those are very
motherfucker! No! Stun him!
What do I do?
Stun him! Stun him! His...
What do you mean?
What are you guys
I'm
doing? Whoa!
Well, there's gotta be a reason that there's a cooldown for him.
Room service.
Why is my screen all bloody?
Safe word! Oh shit! Back up! Oh, don't back up! Monsters there! Run! Do the opposite of backing up!
Oh, I'm dead.
What the fuck is that? Oh, I'm trying to help you.
Oh, that's.
I can't light stick.
This isn't what I remember.
Be gone, motherfucker.
Coming, Brendan.
Be gone, prick.
I don't know what to do once I get here,
Scared.
but
Okay.
Carter, can you stop saying over
have
here?
no-
What's this? Ah! Be gone, prick.
yo,
I said.
Stun it with your
No,
flashlight.
it's to the left. Run, run.
We're close to a tape.
Why is everybody gone? Whoa, that was a thing. That was a thing.
That was a thing.
Where's everybody? Okay. There's Carter. I'm saving my flashlight better. I'm shooting off of other people's. I don't care.
I don't
I'm black.
have one,
I'm
so
usually
good
the
luck.
first one to die anyway.
You ain't mooching off mine.
Oh,
Oh, it's a mushroom. Oh, run
I
like
missed.
a motherfucker.
where's Brendan?
Oh
there's Brendan.
no! Oh,
Ah!
Big scary statue I cannot see.
try
I'm just
to
running.
stick together. Yeah, I don't. No, sticking together. That's. I thought the bad guy, the big bad guy. Like it's all 3 of you at once. We stick together. I forgot about all these other.
Oh, Brendan got eaten.
I've been dead.
I think he's on me. I keep running into these idols, and my screen's all fuzzy, and I can't see.
Me?
Who are you?
Wait, can
Hey,
you see
who
me?
is this?
Brendan's the ghost. Oh no. Carter, I got you. Be gone, motherfucker! Be gone,
Here's
motherfucker!
flashlight. Yeah. Okay. Can you guys?
I got
see
an
me?
achievement! I have a...
Wow. You guys.
Where? Be gone,
You guys
bitch!
really let
Be
the,
gone, bitch!
black guy die
Carter!
first.
Carter!
Stereotype work.
Carter!
What do I do? What do I do?
instead of with the flashlight.
Mushroom here. I can't ping.
Whoa, it exploded.
Mushroom there. Town, look out. Or behind you, behind you. It's gone now. There's a thing over. Oh, that's a statue. Don't come over here.
I called in the
Wait, I can do
monster.
something to it though.
I'm just.
Don't call the monster. The monster we're trying to avoid. Okay, I got rid of an idol.
Bold take of you, Brendan. We're supposed to avoid the monster.
Well, I don't know what's going on.
Problem is that the monster isn't trying to avoid us. Oh,
I'm both of you.
the creature disabled the flashlight. Creature disabled the
Okay.
flashlight.
Hold on.
Where's the creature? Right
I don't
next
see
to
a
it.
creature.
Tapey
I
tape.
see an idol. I'm gonna go get rid of this idol over here. There's probably. Yo,
If we
there's
get
a tape over here. I'm gonna get rid of this idol. Come over by me. So there's a tape.
Oh, really? Ooh,
Yes.
Well,
man's
lead the
idol.
way, ghosty ghost.
tapes so close to each other.
Don't follow me completely. Don't follow me completely.
Hello, ghosty ghost.
But there's an idol or there's a tape.
It's down this hall.
Can't see it right now.
You're getting away
Yeah,
from the.
Brendan,
Oh,
you
idol.
know
There's
what you're
another idol.
fucking
There's another.
talking about.
Brendan, there's another idol down the hall. Shrooms.
I
Monster!
haven't played this game since I was like.
No! No!
can't help
Carter,
it.
help!
I can
No,
help with
I'm
idols.
dead. I'm finna die. I got eaten!
What do you mean? What do you mean? What am I supposed to do?
Carter, follow the ghost. Follow me. Follow me. I will take you into the room full of hanging bodies.
I don't want to go there.
Well, this is where the tape is, bucko.
But there's an idol.
The tape's right here.
There's an idol though.
Yeah, Brendan, go get the idol. Carter, tape's in this cabinet.
Okay,
Oh,
I'm going to get
shit!
the idol.
Carter
I
got
can't
it!
move. I can't move.
Carter
Yeah,
got it!
Fucking that thing behind me.
That ugly bitch.
Wait, there's a tape over here though. According to my thing.
Oh, damn, I'm coughing in game and in real life. Brendan, turn around, Brendan! Brendan! Brendan!
I'm coming.
We are so cracked,
Damn it.
boys.
Played this game. I am literally so fucking on edge right now.
Oh, it's getting staticky. That means monsters.
What is that?
Oh, it's an
not
idol,
good.
it's an idol, it's an idol,
Staticky
it's
is
an
not
idol,
good.
it's an idol, it's an
Staticky
idol.
means
Oh wait. That tells my.
I want to crouch in a corner.
I
Guys,
shouldn't go near
Oh,
that, huh?
guys, where'd everybody go?
right here, Brendan. Brendan, turn around. Hi.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
Hello.
We're popping off. Oh, monster behind us, behind us, behind us. Flashlight, flashlight, flashlight behind us. Oh, creature disabled the flashlight.
Oh, okay. I'm just running.
Panic! 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 Ah, he's right next to us, Carter! Flashlight, flashlight, flashlight!
Why is he getting closer?
You guys ran away. I'm running. I'm coming. I'm sorry.
Be gone, you prick!
The next tape is on me that or this one. I just used my compass.
We're kind of trapped by two idols right now.
Wait, light sticks and idols.
I tried, it didn't seem to do much. Oh, there's Carter.
Oh god.
Compass clue is straight ahead.
I'm running. Carter, I'm coming. Be gone, motherfucker.
Don't fucking stare at me!
Okay.
I'm going to rape you!
Got you.
Me and Carter kind of had the.
Fucking run!
the
Running away. Oh, it's an idol. Oh, it's an idol.
Shit.
running.
What do you mean?
Ah,
What's
help
happening to me?
Help me!
I turned around for 5
He's
seconds. Trying to light.
he's eating me!
I'm getting eaten. I'm getting eaten. I'm dead. I'm so dead. Oops.
Be gone, you prick. Get back to the shadow
here.
realm.
Okay.
We're doing worse than the last time.
Right now. Oh, it's not even funny. I'm so.
You find
on
it?
edge. Just wait. We found a spot.
What the fuck? That scared me.
Flashlight. Glow stick. Flashlight. For when monsters pop up.
Oh, it might be another baited thing. Oh, you prick! You bitch ass!
No, I'm dead. I'm so dead. I don't. What's going on?
I got the last lap. I got the last laugh. I called him a bitch. Hang on. I'm banishing this idol. I'm banishing the idol. I'm banishing the idol.
Yes,
Calm
please bash the
down.
idol.
Calm down. You fucking calm down.
This game puts me on edge. I forgot how much edge this game puts me on.
Tape's right here, Brendan. Turn around. Brendan, turn around. Brendan, turn around.
Nightmare.
Tape is on this
Turn
side.
around. Okay. Carter, cover me. Got four.
Nightmare.
Nearest clue is this
That's
away.
what this feels like.
I will lead
my
the
God.
way. I will
Bring this up
be
like
a
adults.
guiding light.
It is this way.
Guys, you guys suck. Okay. You guys are right here. You're going purple. What's going on?
Whoa. What the fuck?
I placed that. I don't know what it does, but.
Okay, I'm turning the light on.
Carter, turn around. Carter. It's in this.
Oh, there was a monster. There was a monster.
Where's
I
that?
do not remember
prick?
these side monsters, dude.
Got it.
Every monster has their own abilities.
Alright.
I just remember the one big monster, and actually
I
do
hate that I
remember the items
can't
from the first
jump
game.
over anything.
You're focusing on the wrong things here, Brandon. All right. One more tape
Guys,
remaining.
One left.
One left. Get hype. Carter's on the tape. Carter's like on the tape.
Carter, take
It's
the tape.
right here. It's in the box. Yes.
Let's go.
You have located the possession of the
there's more
artifact.
than just tapes.
Go. The artifact
been
is
revealed.
now visible in this dimension, eh? Oh, is that what
Oh,
that
I
thing
see
is
it.
across the map?
Uh,
Is that the thing that's all the way over here?
It looks like. Oh god.
It looks like a dildo.
break the dildo. Please break the dildo.
What is happening?
We have to break the shit around the dildo.
What is happening?
There is a.
Is that something we can do?
Hang on, I'm breaking
Yeah.
the idol.
Yeah, Brendan, break those squiggly sigils.
It doesn't. It only let me do one. Got an achievement though.
Alright. Carter?
Get the last
We-
sigil,
we
my
have
boy.
to- Okay.
Yes. Now what?
No way. There's no way we did this on a second try.
Oh my God, we won! Woo!
Wait. There's always a kick to these games.
Nope.
That's it? We just survived.
Yay! For now.
What can I say? I'm too fucking good.